Hi, in this session we'll be covering the site config area of the web wizard. Here you can edit some of the global settings for your website, such as email addresses, phone numbers, company information, and various messages that display around the website. To access the site config, you can either click the cog icon on the banner at the top, or under admin and then site config. In the email address section, you'll find the email addresses that display on your website, along with the emails that will receive notifications that the website sends out. These should all be labelled accordingly. The no reply address is the address that the emails will be sent from. Site detail contains some website specific fields, but ones that will be global to all websites will be your cookie message. This is the message that displays on the cookie banner when users visit your website for the first time to consent to cookies. Your Google Analytics ID. IP blocker exceptions. This allows you to whitelist IPs if you don't want the web wizard to automatically block your account. This can happen if you're using things like SEO spiders to crawl your website and going over the view limit, which will automatically block you. Finally, we've got a slideshow autoplay speed. This is set to 0 by default, but this allows you to make your slideshow scroll automatically if you wish, and this value is in milliseconds. Company info contains the information for your company. Normally your company name, address, VAT number, company registration number, and telephone number. Some websites will have more fields in here, such as Google Maps embed links and things of that nature. Purchasing and checkout holds all the functionality tied to the basket for e-commerce websites. This can be basket configuration options as well as various messages that can display throughout the website. And finally, social media and marketing. This is where you add all of your various social media links.